Dear students, previous video we have discussed the IUPAC rules to give the name for the organic compounds. Now we see some exercise how to give the name by using the IUPAC rules. First one, there is a carbon chain with substitution. There are now according to IUPAC, first we have to select the longest carbon chain. So longest carbon chain we have to select here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 carbons are there in this chain, and this one 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 carbons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 carbons. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 carbons. So the longest carbon chain carrying 8 carbons. So we give the numbering from either this side or this side, we have to check it. So always we have to give the numbering where we are getting the lowest number to the substitution. So if we go from this side, you will get that at the 4th carbon substitution. If you come from this side, you are getting that at 2nd carbon substitution. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 2nd carbon you have methyl group, 5th carbon you have the ethyl group. So when we are writing the IUPAC name, you have to mention first substitution which is coming in alphabetical order first. So on the 5th carbon ethyl is there, 2nd carbon at 2nd carbon methyl is there. So first you have to write the 5 ethyl, 2 methyl. There is 8 carbons in the parent chain. So it can there is 8 carbons as well as only single bond is there. So it is called octane, 2-methyl octane. So in that way you have to do the practice. The second example I will give, we'll take that if different substitutions present at the same carbon in the both side, same number carbon in the both side. So how to give the name, that we see. So CH2, CH3, here CH3 is there. See, either this side or this side, both side at 3rd carbon you have the substitution. So when you have both side at the same number carbon you have the substitution. So you have to give the numbering from which side according to alphabetical you are getting the substitution, that should give the lowest number. So 1, 2, ethyl is the first one, alphabetical order. So you have to give the numbering from this side, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So when you are writing that, you will write as a 3 ethyl, 6 methyl, octane, 6 methyl octane. Next example is when you have that you have the substitution, how to give the name. So for that we will take one more example, CH3, CH2, 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 3, 4, 5, CH, 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 CH2, CH3, CH2, CH3. 1, 2, 3, 4 on the fifth carbon. So in this case, if you observe this one, so the longest carbon chain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So equal number of carbons you are getting in the both side. So in that, which one we have to give the preference? So that we have to, we always have to give the preference where the more number of substitutions are present. That one you have to take it as a parent chain. So if you take that here in this branch, here one substitution is there and here one substitution is there. And if you go to this one, this is the parent chain, here one and here one. 3 substitutions are there. So where the more number of substitutions are there, that you have to take it as a parent chain and you have to give the numbering according to that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So here at the fifth carbon you have the one substitution, and so when you have the substitution, this is the butyl. On butyl, again on the second carbon you are getting one more substitution, and here you are getting that 2 substitution. So when you have the substitution on substitution, you have to write it as a fifth carbon you have the substitution, fifth carbon you have the substitution, you have to write fifth first, then on the substitution which carbon you have the substitution, second carbon, this is the substitution. In that second carbon again you have the ethyl group, so 2 ethyl and remaining is butyl, 2 ethyl butyl. Okay, and now you see that on the third carbon you have 2 substitutions. What is that? 2 ethyl butyl, 3, 3 dimethyl. How many number of carbons? 10 carbon atoms are there. Decane. So in that way you have to give the numbering. Okay.